Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 GMC DENALI. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, everything here looks fine. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I do see a scratch on the chrome right here. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now the driver's side doors. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the doors at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the back bumper looks good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches here. Everything looks fine. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. Alright, everything here looks perfect. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Alright, both front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on either door. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Let's have a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side looks perfect. Alright, the passenger side looks good as well. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console and make sure that there's no wear and tear. Everything looks good. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel buttons look fine. Also around the steering wheel looks good as well. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.